Okay guys, so I'm gonna do some some lawn mowing. It's been a long time since I've mowed. The sun is out and it's finally time to mow. I've got my dump trailer here and I'm doing some cleanup work, and I did a few mowing passes just yesterday actually. I just was like boom, boom, slam, bam, thank you ma'am, really quick because I had all this crap to do and all this stuff. So this section of the beds over here is just a complete disaster and it's just disgusting. So I'm kind of revamping that whole section, gonna tear it out. I wanna get all these beds kind of cleaned up, and I've got all this mess to clean up. So we're gonna do a little bit of work here, and looks to me like I've got somebody coming here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, the license plate's upside down, eh?
Yeah, that's to confuse the cops.
Oh, confuse the cops, he says. So I don't know who this guy is, but I'm gonna just, since I'm kind of working here, I'm gonna do a little bit of this and that and put him to work. So
what?
Come over here.
I gotta go to work?
He says he got off work, but I don't give a crap. So I need you to grab the rake there, rake up this stuff here.
You trust me?
Yeah, sure. I needed to get the backpack blower going, and I need to blow all the dirt back in to the flower bed. So you okay with the backpack blower?
As long as
might blow you over.
Blow me away, we're good.
What's your name?
Bart.
Bart.
Bart
okay.
Roberts.
Mr. Bart over here, he's like, oh yeah, hey, what's up? Yeah, get the rake and the wagon, and we gotta clean up that crap, get this soil out of here. We're gonna do a blow job on the old lawn here.
I get to do it.
He's gonna do the blow job on the lawn.
I can't say I've ever done that before.
Okay, so rake up that stuff over there. Okay. Rake up those leaves. He's never blown anything. This is what he's saying.
Compressed air at work, man.
That's all you've blown is compressed air?
Yep.
Yeah, right.
On myself.
Yeah, right. You've blown other things. Okay, so just pull that into a pile.
Okay.
Rake that into a pile. I'll get a shovel.
Is this just going in your trailer?
Yeah, we're gonna throw it.
Yeah. I'm on vacation and I'm working.
So do not listen to this guy. I don't care what he's doing. He's not on vacation when he comes to my house. So take this, put it all in there, and I'm gonna go get the blow. So this kind of stuff on the lawn you just kind of can't have with the mower. And so
yeah,
I did just kind of throw it on there, knowing that it was gonna be a bad deal, but what do, you know, when you're like focused, you just gotta get crap done. Kind of nice, he showed up, Bart showed up, I could put him to work. And if you're gonna stop by, all right,
let's get this thing going.
No, you dump it. You gotta dump it, pal.
Oh, I gotta dump it.
Take it over there.
Holy moly, you got a ramp?
Yeah, no, we don't know stinking ramp. There's never heard of a shovel. It's something new. You've never heard of it.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I should just take the shovel with me.
Okay, so take this, put all that in there, throw her up there.
Yes, sir.
So I was thinking about putting this in the compost pile, but it's ground cover and this stuff spreads like wildfire, so I just want to get it off the property and off the premise. Because if I break it all up and kind of till it under, it's just going to multiply and replenish the earth. So I just decided, no, get rid of it. See you later. Put this on.
Lift me in the air.
Okay, strap it up. Skinny guy there.
Yep.
Okay, top strap. So the instructions say to primer this bulb like 10 times.
Okay.
2, 3, 7, 8. And then turn the choke on. Then reach around to the pull start. Right there, right there.
That's it?
Yeah, just pull it slowly until you feel it tighten up. And then pull. Right, ready?
I suck at this.
Yeah, he does. He sucks at it. There. Pull the trigger. That's cruise control, pal. Cruise control. So I need this fella here, Bartholomew is his name. We're gonna get him to blow all of the stuff. This is his very first blow job, he says. So I've got the safety Sally glasses here. I'm gonna give them to this guy, make him put them on. So while he's blowing with the blower over there, I'm going to get out my mower. No! If you're not careful, those tires will get away from you there, folks. Transport wheels, gotta have them. So let's see how he's doing over here. So I'm over here inspecting his work, and I'm not gonna say he can do a better blow job than I can. He's done a pretty good job. He's just not as good as what I could do. What do you think?
I need one.
It's awesome, huh?
I need to do more blowing, man. These are awesome. What's with the golf balls?
I don't know. The lawn tools left those here. Okay, so take that sucker off and put it right there. Okay, so I'm gonna check the reel to bed knife to make sure it's good. You like mowing the lawn?
Yeah, actually,
or is it a chore for you?
No, it's well, I only about 20-30 minutes is all on my yard.
Oh, try like 3 hours. I think it's good. So we've adjusted it. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna run around and do the trim passes around the edge because I'm not gonna trust this fella to like go all the way, but I'll let him try just a little bit. So
I don't want to
put some gas in there.
No way.
Yeah, put some gas in. Have you ever used one of these?
No.
What are you scared of?
Your lawn.
What do you mean?
I don't want to put a mark on it. It's too pretty.
Okay, so put some gas in there.
Well, it goes fast.
So that's enough. Yeah. So wait, don't take it out until it stops dripping.
Right.
Yeah, don't you be rushing that, pal.
No, no rushing.
He's trying to ruin my lawn.
Nope.
Look, he did it. He did it. First time ever using this kind of a can, and he did it without spilling any on the grass. It can be done, folks. So he's got his flip-flops on there. He's like acting like he's on vacation or something.
I am on vacation.
No, you're not. Cutting off at least 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and so when it's long like that, that is considered long for me. So when you're cutting off 3/4 to an inch of grass, you get a lot of fold over first with the front roller, and then the rear roller comes behind and folds it over again. So just lift it up right there. No, right in the center, right there. Yep, and just dump it in the trailer. Basically his stripes suck, but I'm not going to tell him that because that would be kind of mean. But he'll find out later, maybe on the video, I don't know. Decent though for your first try. It's not the easiest machine to run. So this guy is worse than Ryan Knorr at mowing the lawn, and that doesn't say a lot, really. Just maybe we can convert one more to a real low mow today with this fella. So I know there's going to be a lot of you guys that are going to say, well, why are you mowing with the 1600 and not the triplex? And I'm not going to lie, I don't have an awesome answer for you. I want to mow with the freaking 1600, so kill me. I like the 1600. I love that riding mower for sure, but the 1600's like butter. Speaking of butter, hi! What seems to be the problem, sir?
Full again.
So we do have a problem. She's full, and so like I said, it's long, and we're only making 4, 5, 6 passes, and it's full. Normally I like to mow this whole section and only have to empty it one time, so I think I'll just have him finish just this front section, and then I'm gonna kick him out of here and say, get your butt out of here, get the heck out of here. So you can see right here where the POA is, it kind of cut down, but it's still right there, you know? POA is still, oh, cops are coming. Cops are coming.
I'm
So he's scared to mow over there, guys. A little tight spot. Oh, I can't do it.
You gotta turn the mower more.
Huh? You gotta be careful around these places. If you're not careful, get some butter in the face. So on camera, it kind of looks bad. And I realize that it looks like you're cutting all the green off. This isn't necessary evil, folks. You gotta cut the top growth off in order for it to just continue to grow and grow. Full again. So, I mean, we've only probably cut 3/4 of the lawn because I had quite a bit of it cut before we started. Yesterday I cut it, and we probably emptied the basket 5 times now. It's a lot of grass we're cutting off. Okay, so I have got to leave. Actually, I wanted to finish mowing this on a second pass, but I've got to leave to go and do some garden planting. We're planting vegetables in our garden or in a friend's garden. And so, what? It's in a garden. So I'm gonna leave here to go do some planting. So I have to kick your butt out of here.
I'm out.
So
I've had enough.
He's gotta go. I put him to work and it's decent, you know? So what'd you think?
I had fun, man. It was awesome. Like, really.
Yeah, what'd you think of the mower?
It really is fun. It's just like,
it's a different kind of experience,
it is
huh?
different. And the more you do it, I mean, I got a little faster turning it around and everything. And
yeah, there's a learning curve to this mower for sure.
Definitely.
I mean,
it wants to pull.
Yeah, it wants to pull.
The grass makes it want to go.
Bart, thanks for coming by.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you. And get out of here.
I'm out.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
So he's leaving, and that's it for this video. See you later.